Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to implement image slider or carousel in Angular 12. As you can see that I have already posted an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial. I have created a folder called Angular tutorials for this project. Actually there is no files inside this folder. I am going to use Visual Studio Code as a code editor. Now I am opening the project folder which I have already created for this project. Yeah, it is successfully opened. Now I am going to create a new Angular project. For that you have to open a terminal. Just click terminal and new terminal. Then you have to use this command to create new Angular project. ng space new space project name. I am going to give the project name as Angular image slider. I hit enter. It will ask some questions. The first question is, would you like to add Angular routing? If you want to use routing in your Angular application, then you have to type Y as yes. Otherwise you have to type N as no. I am going to type Y. Then it is asking the second question, which style sheet format would you like to use? The first one is CSS, the second one is SCSS, and the third one is SASS, and the fourth one is less. I am going to use CSS as a style sheet in my project, so I just hit enter. I have not changed any options. If you want to use SAS or less, then you can change the option and hit enter. It will take some time to create a new Angular project. Please wait until that. The Angular project is successfully created. Now I am going to install a package called ng-image-slider. It is used to implement image slider functionality in Angular applications. I copied the command. Now before that I have to navigate to the project directory. For that I am using cd space the name, project name, image slider. Yeah, I successfully navigated to the project directory. Now I pasted the command and then I hit enter. It is installing ng-image-slider library. It will take a couple of minutes. Wait until that. Yeah, it is successfully installed. Then you have to edit three files. The first one is app.module.ts, and the second one is app.component.ts, and the third one is app.component.html. You can find these files inside the src app folder. As you can see that these three files are available inside this app folder. The first file we have to edit is app.module.ts. As you can see, actually there is some default coding. Just we have to change some codings. We have to import the ng-image-slider module from ng-image-slider. I copied this command. I pasted it here. Then other things are default. I have to add ng-image-slider module inside the ng module import section. I put comma and I added the ng-image-slider module. That's it, guys. Now I am going to edit app.component.ts. As you can see, inside the app.component.ts, we have defined the selector and template URL. As usual, we imported the component from Angular core. Then we are using this code to add the images. As you can see, image is the image file URL, and thumb image means thumbnail, then alternative text and the title of the image. You can add as many images you want. You can see that this is the default function of the library. You can see here the image object format. This is the default format of the library. Instead of image object, I have used image collection. Then I inserted so many images. That's it. So I just copying this code and replace it here. That's it. Now I am going to edit app.component.html. As you can see, there is so much of codings. Just we have to add only one line to implement or add image slider in Angular 12. That is this code. As you can see here, yeah, add component in your template file. To add, we have to add this component in the template file. So I just replace the code with one line. That's it, guys. Now run the Angular application using this command ng space serve. It will take a couple of minutes to compile and run the Angular project. It is asking one question: would you like to share anonymous usage data to Angular project? I type the answer as no. Yeah, it is generating the bundles. Please wait. As you can see, the project is successfully compiled. It will open the project in my browser as soon as possible. Oh, actually I forgot to provide the open in the command ng serve space -- open. No use. Now I am going to open the project manually, localhost : yeah. As you can see that the images are showing. There is one a slider here. Actually there is only 5 images, so there is no sliding functionality available. When you add so many images, you can change the sliding functionality. You can add images as many as you want here. Now I am going to add another one image. I am copying this code. I paste it here. Sorry. I don't. Yeah, that's it. I changed the email attribute as 6 and the image title as 6. You can see that there is 6 images. It will take some time to load the images. To show the sliding functionality, I am going to add one more image. Image 7. Yeah, you can see that now the slider is working perfectly. I hope this video tutorial helps you to implement image sliding functionality in your Angular application. If you have any doubts about this project, feel free and ask us via the comment section. If you liked this video, then share this video with other Angular developers. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel.